Good morning, dear students. I am Mandeep Sani, and today I am here with the fourth AV assignment of your conversation subject. Conversation is an oral subject. There is no need to write this work on your notebooks, right? So today I am going to explain the lesson number 5 of your conversation book. The name of the lesson is Healthy and Junk Food. In this assignment, I will tell you what is junk food and what is healthy food. I will give you some definitions. So let's start. Our first question is, what is junk food? What is junk food? Here we have to give the definition of the junk food here. The answer is the food that makes you fat, does not give you any energy is called junk food. The food that makes you too much chubby and that also does not gives you any energy, that food is called a junk food. Again, I'm going to repeat, what is junk food? The food that makes you fat, that makes you fatty, the food that makes you fat and does not give you any energy is called junk food, right? So now we will move towards our question number 2. Write the name of some junk food. Dear student, this question is too much easy. You can also give the answer here because you know the answer. Write the name of some junk food. Answer is noodles, burger, pasta, pizza are called junk foods, right? Noodles, burger, pasta, pizza are called junk foods. Now number 3 is, should we eat them every day? Now you have to tell me that should we eat them every day? Answer is no, we should not eat them every day. We should avoid junk food, right? We should not eat junk food every day. We should avoid junk food because junk food is not good for our health. Should we eat them every day? No, we should not eat them every day. Number 4 is, what should we eat then? Then what should we eat? If burger, noodles, pasta is not healthy for our health, then what should we eat? Answer is, we should eat rice, fruits, vegetables, chapati and pulses, right? Then what should we eat? We should eat rice, fruits, vegetables, chapati and pulses. Now dear student, we will move towards our question number 5. Our question number 5 is, should we eat curd and cheese? Should we eat curd and cheese? Answer is yes. Curd and cheese are made from milk. Because yes, curd and cheese are made from milk. These are very good for health. So that's why we should eat curd and cheese, right? Should we eat curd and cheese? Yes, because curd and cheese are made from milk and these are very good for health. These are very healthy. So we should eat curd and cheese every day, right? Number 6 is, should we take Pepsi and Cola? Answer is yes, but we should rather drink 2 glasses of milk every day. 1 glass is okay. If you want to go with the Pepsi and Cola, 1 glass is okay, but don't go with the more glasses, right? Because Pepsi and Cola is also a junk food. Should we take Pepsi or Cola? You can go with the 1 glass in a weekend, but don't go with the more glasses because it's also a junk food. Should we take Pepsi or Cola? Yes, but these are junk foods. We should rather drink 2 glasses of milk every day. So I think we should ignore Pepsi and Cola. We should go with 2 glasses of milk every day. If we want to keep our body healthy and strong, then avoid Pepsi and Cola. Go with the 2 glasses of milk. Go with the lassi also, right? So next is question number 7. So next is our question number 7. Speak some good eating habits. Dear student, this question you have already done in your last grade, right? So it is very quite easy for you. First is eat slowly, chew your food well. First point is eat slowly and chew your food properly, right? Slowly, right? Number 2 is wash your hands before and after the meal. It's very compulsory. Please wash your hands before and after the meal with the soap, right? Number 3 is don't talk while eating. While eating, we shouldn't talk with anybody, right? Because it can be dangerous. We don't talk while eating, right? Number 4 is eat at clean place in clean utensil. Our surroundings should be neat and clean, and our utensils, our dishes should also be neat and clean, right? So number 4 point is eat at clean place. We should sit at clean place while eating. We should sit at clean place. And we should also eat in a clean utensils. Number 5 is never eat uncovered food. It can make us sick. We shouldn't eat uncovered food too, because it can make us sick. It can make us ill also, right? Again, I'm going to repeat it. Eat slowly, chew your food well, chew your food properly or slowly, wash your hands before and after the meal, don't talk while eating. While eating, we shouldn't talk. Number 4 is eat at a clean place, in clean utensils. We should sit at clean place. Our surroundings should be neat and clean. And we should also eat in a clean utensils too. Never eat uncovered food. We shouldn't eat uncovered food. We should avoid this kind of food, and because it can make us sick, it can make us ill, right? So that's all about our conversation lesson. I hope you have understood this lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.